Hi guys, today I'm going to be fidget trading with an imaginary girl over here. So, what do you have in offer for this good butterfly puppet? This water snake has to be a good offer. And this Orbeez stress ball. Guys, I really want that stress ball and that pop and that water snake. So I need to get a really good offer for that. How about 2 pop tubes, this pineapple needle, and these homemade globbles. Since those globbles are homemade, can you give me 2 more things, please? Ugh, fine. I am giving you this pineapple puppet and these suction cups. Deal. Here. There you go. Guys, that was such a good trade. Okay, now you go first. Okay, what do you have to offer for this squishy, this necklace with a squishy, and these 2 tub of squishies? That is a really good offer, guys. So I am giving you this Among Us puppet, rainbow. Add this mesh ball. That mesh ball, water toy, and these 3 fidget spinners. Now will you accept? That's a pretty good offer, so okay, deal. Use your fidgets. Okay. Okay, now I go first. What do you have in offer for let's see, this heart poppet, this ditch water squishy, and these 3 homemade 3D printed fidget spinners. That DIY simple dimple, and this textured monkey noodle. How about for your fidgets, I'll give you this gummy bear squishy, this purple mini fidget spinner, this hedgehog type of squishy, this whale type of squishy, and this spiral thingy. Will you accept? Add 3 more things and you got a deal. This shell mochi, this pink bouncy ball, this orange bouncy ball, and this pink bouncy ball. Thinking about it. Yes, deal. There's your fidgets. Nah. That was a fair trade. And I got this purple fidget spinner. Look how cool it is. Let's add it to my collection. Okay, you better get a good offer because I gave you a lot of good offers. What kind of offer do you have for this pink bunny tab a squishy, this squishy? Pretty much I'm going to give you all my fidgets. Okay? That. This is a really good offer. And I'm also giving you this box to put your fidgets in. So you better give me a good offer for all these things. All this. And if you give me a good offer, I'll organize this for you. That is a really good offer. So I'll offer this pink gummy bear, these homemade wobbles, this pineapple Neato, this pineapple puppet, this thingy, 2 pop tubes, 3 tab squishies, 3 more tab squishies, this squishy, and the suction cup. Add 2 more things and you got yourself a deal. This necklace, and I'm going to give you 3. These with another tab squishy. Deal. So I'll organize this for you. When I'm done organizing, I'll go back to you. Guys, I'm done organizing. So I'm going to give them their fidgets now. Uh-oh. There you go. Don't worry, guys. I'll take them out of there and put it back where it needs to go. Where did it? That one. And this one. I need fidget toys a lot. Guys, I don't even need it organized. That was such a good offer. Look, guys, it's gonna... Look, let me dump this out. It's gonna be raining fidgets. I'm not gonna plop the harder ones on there because my dad's phone will break. Yeah? Not yet.
It's 7:30 now.
Wait, I'm making a video. Okay, so there you go. Make the hole a little bigger. Add this. Woo! Are y'all okay? Raining fidgets. Raining fidgets. Raining fidgets. Was that fun? Take it out of the fidget pot.